the market maker. Let me see if I can turn this down. Hold on. Okay, so today we have a lot of news. Wow. We have 10 a.m. red folder, a shit ton of orange folders. We have 8:30 news. And yeah, a ton of folders today. Let's now look at the charts. Okay. So, firstly, let's zoom out. Price took this buy side level. Let's take this off. Price took this buy side level. Let's see if NQ took that as well. Oh, NQ did not take that, so we do have SMT right now. SMT divergence right now. And it looks like we're going lower on NQ already. Looks like we're having some bullish SMT as well. We have SMT here to here. Swept this liquidity. Do we get a 1 hour change in the state? Yes, it looks like we do. Yeah, we do. And we create this bearish imbalance. And it looks like it's holding. And then we have lower. We have these equal lows here. It was nice 5-minute fairly gap as well. I don't like price going down this low already on NQ though. That creates SMT already. Well, we have a lot of built up. We have a good amount of built up sell side liquidity. I just don't like NQ going this low off rip. I would have liked to see more. I mean, maybe this is an entry, but I still would have been patient. I don't really like this. So I'd probably be looking for some type of move up to sweep liquidity. Maybe sweep this high and get SMT. I just don't like that we push down and we get SMT, and looks like we're creating more SMT as well. Here we have SMT. Here we have SMT. Now we have SMT here. So I was gonna look for a short today, but NQ is pushing down like crazy. We have built up buy side liquidity. I mean, maybe we could see ES reverse and go to take this buy side level, take out all these highs that are built up, and yeah, maybe I'm looking for a long on ES. Right now we have SMT, but I'm gonna look to be patient today, and I'll come back after market. So yeah, peace.